Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to start a post on threads. So basically, first of all you're gonna need to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. And first of all you're gonna need to open up the threads application on your Android and iOS devices. And then basically if you want to start a new thread here, what you're gonna have to do, you will need to tap on the pencil and page icon at the bottom right here, and this will take you to this new page where it says new thread. So right now basically you need to actually start a new thread, so I will just type here like hello, how are you, and then basically if you are done, you can just tap on post here at the bottom right, and you will see that your new thread has been posted here. So that's how to start a post, how to start a post on threads. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.